To transfer money from PaySign to your Cash App, start by opening the Cash App and clicking on the profile icon at the top. This will open a new page, where you'll need to click on the Linked Bank option. From there, select the Linked Debit Card option and enter your PaySign card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. Once your card is linked, you can add money to your Cash App using your PaySign card. Alternatively, if you don't have a PaySign card, you can click on the No Card option and link your PaySign bank account instead. To do this, click on the Continue button. Select PaySign as your bank, and link your account details to the Cash App. After linking your bank account or card, go to the home screen and click on the Add Cash button. A window will pop up, where you can select the amount you want to add and choose your payment method, either your linked PaySign card or bank account. Complete the payment, and the money will be transferred from your PaySign to your Cash App.